Hey video creators, welcome back to UniFab's channel. Do you know how to create such a smooth, slow motion effect? Upgrade your video to 90 or even 120 FPS and slow it down without dropping frames. Today, this software will help you achieve this magical effect. It is UniFab Smoother AI. Download the software for free using the link in the description box below and launch it on your computer. Let's get started. We open the software and select Smoother. Then, just drag and import the video you want to upgrade. Next, adjust the video parameters and preview. You can rename the video here and select the mode you want to adjust, which are frame interpolation and slow motion. We first enhance the video to 120 FPS before performing slow motion. Here, you can adjust these two buttons to adjust the video crop and audio. Select MP4 for video output. Go to Settings. You can change the quality of the video by adjusting the bitrate. Below, you can customize the audio and subtitle settings. Here, you can preview according to your needs. Finally, export the video and click Start. You can see that UniFab's export speed is very fast. Let's take a look at the final effect. We can clearly see that the video after UniFab Smoother AI becomes smoother. The frame rate of the video is significantly improved. The slow motion effect is also very smooth, and there is no frame drop phenomenon. UniFab's effect is very good. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.